Hey there, people. Well, it's another beautiful day in Sudbury, Ontario here. Nice and rainy and cool and right on. Well, it's Monday afternoon and we're gonna try our hand at scrapping. I had a little visit from my buddy Eve last night. Chevy metal 4x4. Brought me this fridge and this stove, so we'll get that unloaded and we'll try our hand at scrapping. Okay, let's go scrapping. As I was leaving my house, my neighbor popped by. He asked me what I was doing with those lawnmowers that I love so much. I said, I'd probably scrap them, whatever. So he needs a gas tank for a snowblower. So I told him, go nuts, grab whatever you need. But right on. Okay, we're on the road. Some garbage. Don't want that. Basketballs, no good. Of course, I gotta get my fix. Thanks to I ride motorbikes, I don't have to take it out of my pocket. Right on, buddy. Well, I don't know about this scrap run. I just ran into another fellow scrapper. This truck was right full. So I don't know, I might be a bit late. We'll see. We'll carry on anyway. Yay, a bird bath. Maybe buddy hasn't been down this neighborhood. We'll grab that. Stupid bird bath. It's plastic. Okay, let's go. Screw it. We're gonna get into the hard liquor tonight. Well, it's something anyway. Oh, that's pretty pitiful. What a waste of time. But anyway, at least I found Shelly a lamp. We were at Canadian Tire the other day. She wanted to spend 50 bucks on a similar looking lamp. So I scrap picked one. At least I saved that much money. Before we have a drink, I was talking to Paperweight Girl the other day. She was telling me about this Halloween store we have down the street that I should check out. So let's go grab Shelly and we'll go check that out. Scrappy in the window. Well, it's that time of year again. Happy Halloween. Hope you guys enjoy my little tour of the Halloween shop. Cheers. Alright, we're here. Let's go see what's inside. Hey?
Whatever. Let's do it.
Look at all the fucking cars. I park far away. No scratchy scratch. Got my security system on.